Marissa Rodriguez and Matthew Wheeler.
I forget how to zoom in.
Alright, once upon a time, there were 3 little bears, a papa bear, a mama bear, and a wee baby bear, and they lived in a cottage in the forest. They were going to sit down to have a nice, delicious breakfast of porridge, but it was a little too hot, so they decided to take a walk in the woods to let it cool off. Along came a beautiful little girl with golden curls. She came up to the house and peeked in the window, and that porridge looked so good, and she was so hungry and tired that she thought she might go in. So she said to herself, nobody was there, so she just let herself in. When she got to Papa Bear's porridge, she said,
"This one is too hot."
Then she tried Mama Bear's porridge.
"This one is too cold."
And she tried the Baby Bear's porridge.
"This one is just right."
And she gobbled it all up. Well, then she was tired, so she decided to sit down in a chair. So she tried Papa Bear's chair first.
"This one is too hard."
Then she tried Mama Bear's chair.
"This one is too soft."
Then she tried Baby Bear's chair.
"This one is just right and it broke."
Oh! So then Goldilocks decided to go upstairs and take a little nap since no one was home. So she tried Papa Bear's bed.
"This one is too hard."
And Mama Bear's bed.
"This one is too soft."
And Baby Bear's bed.
"This one is just right."
And she fell fast asleep. Well, about that time, the 3 bears came back from their walk. When they came in the house, they noticed some things were different. Papa Bear said,
"Somebody eat my porridge."
and Mama Bear said,
"Somebody's been eating my porridge."
and Baby Bear said,
"Someone's been eating my porridge and it's all good."
Then they decided to look in the living room, and Papa Bear said,
"Someone's been sitting in my chair."
and Mama Bear said,
"Somebody's been sitting
and Baby Bear said,
Someone's been sitting in my chair.
well, those bears thought they better check out the rest of their house, so they went upstairs. When Papa Bear got to his bedroom, he said,
Someone's been weighing my bed.
and Mama Bear said, and the Baby Bear said,
Someone's been weighing in my bed. Here,
just then Goldilocks woke up. And she was never seen or heard of again, and they lived happily ever.
Hey, Caroline.